Good.
It's okay, Lexi. It's okay. Aww, so sad. So sad. Keep doing that. Aww.
Here, maybe this will help her. Give her some food.
Oh, I think she's seen that out of her corner of her eye.
Oh, sorry. There we go.
Oh, goodness. How does that taste, baby girl? Still one eye? Okay.